the concept of deceptive similarity between two marks. So, that guideline is very important actually. So, court emphasized that this assessment does not necessitate a physical comparison of the mark side by side. Please listen carefully. So, what Supreme Court says that it suggests that you are not just checking the side by side physical comparison, that the mark of the whosoever have opposed, probably he is already having registered mark. So, that fellow and the new fellow proprietor who is like in the process of filing his or her trademark, or the entity whosoever may be. So, do not do only physical examination. So, what exactly then? Instead, the key consideration is whether an individual of a average intellect and a memory, average, that very important word, average intellect, person or individual with average intellect and average memory, we have to take into the consideration such consumer, okay. And then you have to just check that typical imperfection in memory that would recall the defendant's trademark. So, whether such a consumer, if there having average intellect and memory, whether he or she, that individual is recalling the